Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Army. This practice really increases your self-esteem, and you can do it whenever you want in a day. I suggested to you that do this part and second part of these practices several times for getting the best result. Okay, let's get started very quickly. Sit in a quiet place and close your eyes whenever you are ready. I ask you to think about a difficult situation in your life. Maybe you are worried about something, or you have a problem in your relationship, or you are worried about something that might happen. Communicate with that situation. What's happening? What has happened or may happen? Who said what? Imagine all this, and then I will say some sentences that help you when you need self-esteem and confidence. Remember these sentences when you need. This is the first one. This moment is the moment of suffering. I ask you to find the special sentences for yourself. For example, this situation is really difficult. I'm really trying my best to deal with this story. Please repeat your sentences now. This is a second sentence. Suffering is a part of life. I want to remind you this concept that you are human and suffering is a part of our life. Repeat these golden sentences. And the last one. Can I be kind to myself at this moment? Can I be kind to myself at this moment? Guys, never forget these three sentences and repeat them with yourself when you feel you are in a difficult situation. For more kindness to yourself, I invite you to put your hands on your heart. Feel the warmth of your hand. Caress your heart and tell yourself, I am with you and everything will be fine. Tell yourself you are valuable. You are very important to me. And now, take a deep breath with much love. Congratulations! You could to finish this practice well and get one step closer to yourself. Wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes whenever you are ready. Don't forget to send this practice to someone you think needs and comment about your feeling after this practice. Thank you for watching. I wait here for you with another practice.